Oh, Cormorant's going looking for his dinner. Maybe it's Batman. Who knows? Anyway, the tide's about 50 meters past where it normally goes out because of the full moon and other conditions. And because of that, we're able to get way out today and see the Virgin Rock from here. You see it? And that's in Doon Bay, the Nun Strand. That's the Virgin Rock. And then there's the Cliffs of Doon. And then a sunlit Irish wolfhound. The sun dog. Hey, Makushla! No, she's spotted another dog to go zoomies with. It's a beautiful day here. Sun is warm. Happy New Year, everybody.